I'll lift at the front, right? Lift at the back. We're going to walk together. I'm almost going to kiss you. So when you're in the air. Alright? That's what happens because his feet are going to cut us off. Alright? Ready? And now. Alright? Come in closer. Walk in.
And you need to get a grip there on your shoulder. You need to really get a firm grip over there, right?
Alright, so just as you're coming in, you're taking that step in and up. Got it? That's you blokes too. Go. Hands on.
We've just, yeah, that's it. Legs, mate. Let's go. Quick turnover. Again, Malachi. Focus. Another one on Malachi, George. That was a good one. Good stable. Well done. Now keep it on two on two. Let's stay away from the front throw for now. Just do 2 and 4 until we've got it well, and then we'll move on to phonics. Yeah, that's number 2. Okay, so Joe, just swap around with Fitzy for a couple of balls. Yeah, go 4 and you go on pick up. Alright. Number 2. 2 on 2. Well done. And you need to bend your legs a little bit to get spring.
Because you're stepping in with that left foot, you're stepping forward. Okay? That's coming into this spot here. Alright? Let's go.
That's it. Okay. 2 on 2. 4, sorry. Let's go. Right, let's go again, mate. Focus. You need to get that ball right. It's a lobby. Okay, let's give us one ball on Matt. Huh? No, I want you to always hang loose. So if we do this, Fitzy, you need to come out. Come out in between. You stay there, but I want you to hang out loose. Okay. Let's go. Matt, you haven't been listening at all.
Yeah, sorry. It's the first time.
You need to keep them close. Something might fly in there. Let's go.